have the operating installed under a RAID 1. That's this group 0. So I want to create for the DB database, SQL database. I want to create a RAID 10. So right now the 2 physical hard drives for RAID 1 are here, and the 4 others are going to be for the RAID 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press F2. I'm going to create a new VD, and I want to make this, use the tab key and go up and down with the arrow key. First press enter. I'm going to select this as a RAID 10, and the physical drives left are these 4 drives here that are available for RAID. So if I'm pressing enter for each one to add, it starts with 0, 1 and 0, 1. So that's this of the RAID 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drives. We've got 2 of them under RAID 1, and we're going to have 4 here under RAID 10. So it calculated over 270 gig. I'm going to tab over, and I'm going to call this file server. I'm going to press enter, or tab to advanced settings and press enter, and I want to use the down arrow to initialize, and then tab and OK. So we have our group 1, you have group 0, now we have group 1, and then check the plus sign, got the physical disk, which is count for 4, and you get your space allocation. At a level 10, 272 gig, and you got the span 0, which would be the first 2 hard drives at about 140 gig, and span 1 would be your second set around 140 gig. And that's it. And now this drive can be used for the SQL database. As you can see, the progress bar, it has to format and array the striping on these 4 drives, and this will take some time, and our next demo will be we're going to format these drives in the operating system as a single rated drive, which will give it a letter drive name. I restarted Windows after the RAID configuration, and it found that I must initialize a disk before a logical disk manager can access it. So there's an MBR master boot record and a GDP, which is a partition. So I'm just going to go ahead and accept the default, and that this allocated down here, this 1 needs to be formatted. As you can see, the first RAID, which is the mirror RAID, which is a RAID 1, has 2 drives. It's under the C drive, 136 gigs, and it's got a system partition. And the 4 RAID 10 drives are in here. It's unallocated. So I want to do a format of this. So I do a simple volume, and then take the default, which is 278 gig. It's going to automatically assign a drive letter, or I could have gave it one. Select the NTSF format, and I guess I could just go ahead and do a quick format. I'll click to press it, and this just gives you a summary of the disk, the size, the format, file system. And so now it's created the drive. Now when you go into Explorer, File Explorer, you can see where it has the new volume, and I can relabel this, and this will be the drive. This is the array stripe drive for the SQL database, and for the indexing that will PDM in SQL will access data across a large network platform. We have many users accessing that query, and that's why you want a RAID 10 that will stripe the disk. You have to really research exactly how it works. It's fairly technical, but it is how you would want to set up a network SQL database. So I renamed the the RAID 10 drive as file server, and I've tested it and added some files to it. So again, to finish up, these two are RAID 1. They are mirrored drives for the operating system and for the SQL program itself, not the databases, but just the programs themselves. So the bus, we have two separate buses going here. We'll have this drive, even though there's two hard drives, acts as one. They're mirrored. One fails, it can swap out a new drive for another one. It stays running. Then we got a second bus, which is these four over here that are called a RAID 10, and they use a method of striping the drives for database access and for network picking up network allocations and indexing. And so that's got its own bus, those four drives. So basically the thought process is when you're running the program or launching the SQL program or accessing the program for inquiries, you have a bus pulling off the hard drive for the program, and the query themselves is at the same time where other users accessing the SQL database are running the second bus over here. So you got two buses running at the same time with a multi-core CPU for this server that can handle up to 20 plus users to access this one server.